Hi, welcome here. This is Mike. In this short video, you will learn how to install a MetaMask account in just a few minutes. And why do you need this? Come, join me. I'll show you. So, you will need a MetaMask account because the SunMoney base system is going digital. And indeed, now you have to link your account with this digital wallet. Don't worry, it's just a few steps, so come on, let's get started. The first step is to type MetaMask into the search bar and press enter. After that, click on MetaMask and wait for the page to load. I recommend leaving it in English and accepting everything. I advise clicking the download for Chrome button at the bottom and on the left. If you have another browser, like Edge, download it for that. If possible, use Google Chrome. Click the add button, then let the system pop up the message to add it as an extension, then it starts processing and downloading MetaMask. Once this is done, the system automatically redirects us to the MetaMask page. And if this message appears, you can also click on a restart confirmation message or click on the extensions on the right where MetaMask has already been added and click on Pin, then click on MetaMask. You will see that it opens a new page here. If you type MetaMask again, the same would happen. This is the simple method. And additionally, the Fox icon appears at the top. After this, click on the I agree MetaMask button, then click on Create a new wallet. Then scroll down, click I agree, and create a password of at least 8 characters. Confirm this. Definitely write down this password immediately on a piece of paper that cannot be lost. Then click on the I understand button and click on the blue Create a new wallet button. Here, all you have to do is click on the Secure My Wallet recommended blue button, then scroll down a bit and reveal the seed words. Here you can see 12 words, which, logically, will be different for you. Write them down in the correct order, with clear letters, on a piece of paper, or in a notebook that can never be lost. I do not recommend copying it to the clipboard, because from that point on, unfortunately, these words can be out on the internet, which, believe me, won't be too good if it falls into the wrong hands. So, I'll be back once I've written down the words. So, it is also forbidden to take pictures of these words, because if it is in a photo on your phone, many companies and corporations can access it, even without your knowledge. So, notebook, pen, paper, and write it down. Once you are done, scroll down and click on the next button. Here you can see that 3 words are missing. Logically, type in the correct words. And of course, you can't mix them up because it won't work. When you are done with the words, and if you type them correctly, the confirmation button will turn blue, click on it, and we are done. Click on the Got It button, click on the Next button, click on the Done button, then click on the small X at the top, and after that, your MetaMask account is ready. But it is very important that if there is ETH here, since MetaMask is an Ethereum-based wallet, you have to switch it to BNB. How can you do this? Here on the left, you see an Ethereum main net with a downward arrow. Click on it, click on Add Network, then find BNB Chain, and click on the Add button, then on Approve. After that, click on the Switch to BNB button and the Got It button. You can see that your MetaMask account is ready. Currently, to link it to the SunMoney Account System, you don't need to have BNB because the company made it free. So, I wish you very, very much success in linking SunMoney. For this, please watch the next tutorial video and I will be back with more useful content. So definitely subscribe to the Virtual Solar Crypto YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook as well, because you will always find useful content like this. Bye.